Hey everyone, welcome back to the Diary of a Disney Dad. Today, we're gonna celebrate my birthday. So we drove up from our home, and we just got here. And while driving, we decided to, since we drove on my birthday, we decided to plan a dinner today. I was like, well, let's have some fun at the same time. Let's go bowling. So we're eating dinner here at Splitsville. And we're gonna hopefully do some bowling after dinner.
All right, we're gonna give you a quick look at the menu. It is pretty big. They have lots of apps, fries, chicken tenders, nachos, sliders. These buffalo chicken egg rolls sound amazing. We got some salads, entrees like chicken fried rice, grilled salmon, chicken dinner, steak and fries, tuna poke bowls, along with some pizza and burgers, chicken sandwiches, and a nice list of sushi. For the kids menu, they have burgers, tenders, hot dog, grilled cheese, cheese pizza, mac and cheese, all the classics. And you can get fries, applesauce, carrots, or veggies with it. So the view from up here is so awesome. We are also going to be watching the new light show tonight. And I was like, man, what a perfect view if we were here later. Not sure what time their last reservation is, but might be a great place to watch it from if you want to get dinner at that time. All right, we ordered a few appetizers. The boys already got their meal, but they got mac and cheese. And the mac and cheese and the cheese pizza doesn't come with a side, but they had their heart set on French fries. So we got French fries as an appetizer, plain and loaded. All right, here is a look at those French fries. These are the loaded French fries. They have queso and bacon and green onions on them. They're amazing. Here's the Kona fries that the boys already got into. It has a ranch sauce. This ranch dipping sauce is so good. This is something that Chad taught the boys.
It's a northern thing.
I guess so. So Chad's family's up north, and he was raised eating ketchup on your mac and cheese. This was almost a deal breaker on our marriage, but thankfully I married him anyway. But our kids do it, and I want your opinion. Do you eat ketchup on top of your mac and cheese? What are your thoughts here?
All right, so I got the chicken fried rice. It's sushi rice with chicken, broccoli, peas, and carrots. I don't see any peas, which I'm okay with. Oh, I see some. But yeah, it smells amazing. This is some good chicken fried rice. Real good. Really good. Full of flavor. Very hot coming out of the kitchen. Not spicy hot, just heat hot. Like hot, hot. But I like it a lot. It's very good.
All right, and I got the volcano roll, which looks so amazing. We're going to give it a try. I'm going to attempt to eat this sushi without spilling it on camera. So good.
All right. After dinner at Splitsville, we are going to go bowling. You can see all the choice of balls. We are in lane 6. The order for tonight is going to be Jennie, Max, Eli, Cole, then me. Here we go.
All right, you got some down. All right, Cole, this is his first time bowling ever. Yep, just push it down. There you go. Very good.
I'm ready. My dad was a bowler in leagues, so I've watched him bowl many years in his life, and he's really good. So I should naturally be good because my dad was good, right?
When's the last time that you bowled, though?
I don't know, 20 years ago.
Better than me, though. I only got one pin down. All right, it's my turn. I only got one pin down. Let's see. I might use the thing that the kids use.
All right.
Because guess what? Okay. So if I get a strike, then we get a free donut. But I'm gonna guarantee you, I'm not getting a strike.
Yeah,
I'll be surprised if I get one pin down.
I don't know if you can see it on our camera, but there's a pink pin down there. If you get a strike when the pink pin's out, you get a free donut. All right, she's going down, she's going down, she's going down. Curl, not a strike, but pretty good.
I did better.
Yeah, pretty good.
They did give us menus for down here, and they're the same menus. So if you wanted to eat and bowl at the same time, you could do that. So because we had a 15-minute wait, we went ahead and ate upstairs before we bowled. All right, how'd you do, Cole?
I got all of them got a spare.
Nice, good job. That was good.
I don't feel very smooth walking up there, like I'm out of my groove.
Right in the gutter. I'm probably the worst. I might lose. I got some down.
You gotta, you dropped the ball so high. You
Okay,
gotta keep
I
it a
didn't
little
know
lower.
if I was supposed to do
Use the
that.
yellow one.
Okay. That was bad. All right, Max, you have the pink pen.
No, Max.
Oh, no.
There you go. It's perfect. It's perfect.
Oh, that was good, Max. All right, come on, we got to beat the kids.
Man,
They're destroying us.
right now.
That was good. Ah, I stink.
You gotta.
I go like
Your
this.
arm's going sideways. Yeah. Get some.
I figured since I go like this,
gotta start
I'll
on the
just
edge.
go on that side.
But the kids are all the way on this wall right here. Don't have much.
Bounce off.
There you go, Eli.
Wow! Eli, that was good. All right, Eli has taken the lead.
Probably won't be cooking.
Now it's Cole might get ahead now.
Cole probably get ahead. 45. Cole is 43. On my next go, I have to get like something pretty high. So yeah, I need a strike. I need to get a strike, so there probably won't be a chance for him to beat, and I'll win.
Here she goes.
No,
Another gunner.
I still got it.
Still have a chance. Use it.
Bowling's not my
That's a good
sport.
one. That's a good one, Max. That's real good. Oh, nice.
Max, that was amazing. You're now in the lead at 46. How do you feel?
Taking his lead.
You feel good?
I'm gonna beat him. I'm gonna beat him. He's 1 away.
Uh-oh. That's a good one. Oh, man.
How does it feel to be the first one tonight to get a strike?
Pretty good, because I also got the red pin, which means we get something. What do we get?
We get a free donut.
Donut! Woohoo!
All right, here it is, Everglades, which is right next door. A free donut with purchase.
What's it say?
Okay, you have to purchase another donut to get it for free.
Wow.
All right, but that's still pretty cool. We're gonna get donuts.
Legends are born. Uh-oh, that's a good one. Nope.
Oh, you're gonna get it? Nice, you got one. All right. Current score, it looks like, oh wow, Eli is in the lead.
You got a red pin.
Wow.
You get 2?
I'm at 16, guys. 16.
Nice.
The final score. I only got 34, guys. Max at 75, Eli at 98, Cole at 78, and Chad at 72. All right, so it looks like Chad. No, Cole. Cole's in the lead.
Yeah, Cole got 2
Good job, Cole. At least it wasn't a gutter ball. Oh, that was it. All right. It looks like Cole won at 81 points. Wow. That's so crazy. All right, Eli, let me see that donut.
Brooklyn
Wow. I wanted to pause and let you know that this was not the free donut. So earlier in the video, you can see the cashier giving us the donuts. The plain donut with just the chocolate icing was the one that was free. The specialty ones were not. And as a special treat for Chad's birthday, today is the opening of the drone show here at Disney Springs. So we are packed in like sardines and about to watch it for the first time.
Good evening. Right here, underneath the starlit sky, a timeless adventure is about to unfold.
Straight on till morning.
The ninth wonder of the universe! The wild only flying elephant! Dumbo! Look! You're flying! You're flying!
Adventure up there! The wilderness must be explored!
My name is Doug. I have just met you, and I love you.
Yeah, it looks like 3D. Coco.
I want to learn the ways of the Force and become a Jedi like my father.
You've taken your first step into a larger world. It's a space station.
All wings report in.
Red 5 standing by. Watch that crossfire, boys.
The Force will be with you. Always.
Hello, I am Baymax, your personal healthcare companion.
That is awesome. Wow.
This is my favorite
Baymax,
one out of
wings,
Yeah.
It will be my favorite.
thrusters. Flying makes me a better healthcare companion.
Hey, you know what? There's another name you might know me by.
Star-Lord. Oh, the disc.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
infinity and beyond.
Wow. Zero. Dragon and Aladdin's Perfect. Raya?
Oh, that's the butterfly.
Oh yeah. Yeah, Mitro. The fairy godmother. Look at this. Oh, Santa from Butterfly. We had such a fun time celebrating Chad on his birthday and being able to see this show for the first time here at Disney Springs. Now, trying to leave this area was a little crazy because it was packed, so we didn't get to do a formal outro, but I wanted to say bye. Thanks so much for watching our video. I hope you like and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time.